Hi, and welcome to this next level AR tutorial. Have you ever wanted to create a breathtaking Moroccan interior concept art in Blender but didn't know where to start? You're in the right place. In this 44 video playlist, we'll take you on a step-by-step journey to create this stunning Moroccan interior, starting from an empty scene. We'll explore everything from gathering and organizing references in PureRef to create a mood board, navigating the 3D viewport, and using essential tools like the workspace toolbar. You'll learn how to model objects with the edit mesh modifier, use vertex painting, master UV mapping, lighting, and compositing. Finally, we'll export passes from Blender and polish them in Photoshop to achieve a professional finish. By the end of this series, you'll have the skills and confidence to bring your creative visions to life. So let's dive in and get started.